Ready to launch your online dreams without breaking the bank? Let's get you set up with hosting in under 90 seconds. First things first, we need to pick the perfect plan. Hostinger offers a few options, but for beginners, the single shared hosting or premium shared hosting are usually the sweet spot. Look at the features like storage, bandwidth, and the number of websites you can host to make your choice. Once you've selected your plan, you'll see options for the subscription duration. You'll notice that committing to a longer period, like 24 or 48 months, often unlocks significant discounts, making it even more budget-friendly. Now, let's create your account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. It's a quick and simple process to get you registered. Next up is payment. Hostinger accepts various payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal, giving you flexibility. Just select your preferred method and enter your details. And just like that, you've successfully purchased your Hostinger hosting plan. You're now one step closer to building your website and establishing your online presence. Welcome aboard.